Okay, what I've got running right now are my washer and dryer, and I'm going to turn on the AC. And let's see. Cool. The house is going to pop for a second, I think. When it kicks on, there's usually a... No? Maybe I don't have enough lights on for flicker. Okay, let's walk outside. I'll leave that AC running. It's a whole house AC. I'm going to, again, through this chaos. Oh, you're going to get to see the loveliness of the garage. That's a total disaster. All right, this is just for me to see how much power the EG4 12000xp can handle. All right, so let's move the knife from the table saw because we don't need that here. I'm going to turn on the table saw. Oh, I need to plug it in. Okay. Table saw is going to go on. And my dust collector is going to go on. Big old Harvey dust collector. I'm going to let the dust collector fully cycle on. And let's go see what sort of power we were able to draw from the EG4.